Yeah, they are China and then they are left England. And they make 25,000 in a 3 year. And go back and send me the euro.
Monday. Morning time. Yeah, so it's Tuesday morning and we're heading up to West Palm Beach. It's raining hard today, but you know the work still goes on.
We're outside.
Yep. So stay tuned, watch y'all going.
Yeah, I think he jump on him side of the truck. He jump.
Oh my god. I feel like the Spanish people them. You know, the Hispanic driver, them always have them wife for them, and I drop them. Some I feel Hispanic. Yeah.
Hola, papi.
Yeah, man. So, right up to Palm Beach. We have Bumblebee on the back. I took this car up there on Friday, but they never took it because it had too much gas in it. So, we had to drain the gas. So now we're gonna attempt to drop it off this morning. So stay tuned. Watch y'all going. Long line. Looks like we're gonna be here for a little bit. A lot of people. Alright, thanks, yeah. Alright, thanks, man.
Since you're always treating me, always doing something nice, what do you think you want to do for National Wife Day?
If you're a national wife then, and the wife's supposed to take care of the husband on the daily?
No.
Yeah.
No. The husband's supposed to treat the wife.
Even though I'm treat her good every day?
Yeah, alright, so just like Mother's Day and Valentine's Day and all these nice days. I mean, you love your
So which day, so me hear what I say, so which day the husband get treated? The my husband day too?
I can check it. Let me
So you not even know, you can't check it. Yo, feel like all of the holiday they make for the woman then.
Maybe.
Hmm?
Maybe. That's what.
You not even know, you go research now
because
if you have
them
husband day.
promoting it.
Who promote it?
2024 Instagram. It gone April 20.
So me never get nothing for you never do nothing for me for husband day.
They weren't promoting it. I didn't know.
2 years we married now. And you never do nothing, and you never know about it.
You don't worry yourself.
Imagine that.
You're getting a nice little treat.
Imagine that, people. Imagine that.
I said, don't worry yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you get treated all the time too.
Yeah, you too, so you can't talk about that.
I
But I
thought
thought what the fuck say,
different.
I thought what the fuck say you don't remember. But it's okay.
Something different.
So
Something.
bro, life is not fair when it comes to women.
It's a women's world.
Mm-hmm.
That's who they sing that song. It's a woman's world.
Hey, video. No.
Yeah, man. So right here, this customer called me to get this F-150 loaded into a container. Said he called a couple guys, but they said they wouldn't be able to do the job. So, you know, we get any job done. So, took the job. Right here, I'm strapping it down. Putting all 4 straps on, 4 points. Strapping. Kels doing the videoing. Yeah, man. Going in the tool pan, I was looking for another set of strap. But I think Tallman teeth the one them off in the truck. Yeah. So that's a going right here. So stay tuned. Watch how we go. So at this point, just come out and get a look, because the guy is supposed to be watching the other side of the truck. He kept looking at the front, so I wanted to see for myself, you know. So I came out, just take a look, make sure everything was good on that side, and then I'm gonna get back inside now and get it into the truck. Yeah. It was a pretty decent work. It wasn't too hard. Yeah. So I'm just adjusting up a little bit, and then about to get it inside there now. Yeah. Yeah, man, so that is it. Job completed. So, but to remove the pieces of wood from underneath there that I used to elevate the back of the truck, and then head off to the next job. Yeah, man. Big up the camera woman, you know. One Kels on the ground. That is it, man. Matter of fact, just have a treat her, man. She doesn't know what she wants. Huh? KJ can't talk. KJ. Got the pony. KJ. Out. On our way to go pick up a G-Wagon up in Boynton Beach and take it down to Miramar. Should be there in 5 minutes, so stay tuned. Watch how it's gone. What's gone? Alright, so we're fully strapped up. About to take this big boy to Miami, to Miramar. Alright. Piece of cake. Alright. Yeah, so we're just gonna get some more diesel to hit the road. Yeah. No, we'll do it. Up in Boynton Beach. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, man, so made it to Miramar, doing the unstrapping now. We're about to take this big boy off the truck. Yeah, man. See me how up. Like my soul. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, we got straps on the other side. Yeah. Just undoing our straps and then we're gonna get it off. and then wait for the customer to show up. So let's watch her go.
Happened?
I drive coffee.
Me?
Yeah. Come on, man.
Oh my god.
Come on. Park it over here, sir. Yes, people, so we have one more drop off for the day, and then that's it. So KJ decided she doesn't want to hang anymore, so we're gonna take her over to Uncle Steve, but she's thinking about her belly, so she's gonna go get some food. So this is the final drop off for the day. So we're gonna drop off KJ, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Peace. Like, share.
Subscribe.
Alright, that is it. Out.